Hey, what's up, guys? It's Bagelsmith again. Good to see you guys. Got a video today. I decided to pursue getting some of the more, maybe lesser known types of cards out there. Maybe not for people who follow this, but stuff like promos and event packs, stuff like that. So that's why I want to open today because, to be honest, I can't find any Paramount War anywhere. But I'm still looking for those, and hopefully I get to open more Paramount War in the next couple months. But for today, I've got 4 different things to open. I was going to start with this. This is obviously clear. It's the Film Red promo pack. And there's a lot of cards in here. So let's get started. I think everything today is going to be with scissors. Don't want to tear anything up. But this is the Film Red promo pack. I didn't look much into what's in this, so it'll be a surprise for at least me. So we have Leader Uta, Red Leader Uta. I don't think I can recall anyone even playing a deck with Uta as leader. Jellyfish Pirates, Warden. Well, prominent character in the film. I don't know if you guys have seen the film. I saw it maybe 2 weeks ago from the filming of this video. Kobe. Actually, I like this art of Kobe. Like Chibi Kobe. Sunny Kun. It's got the Bond Presto. I mean, this is a figure or something? Or the card is supposed to be modeled after a figure? Shanks. Actually, I like this art of Shanks. This is nice. Cool. Law. Another Bond Presto. So it looks like a figure. Honestly, it almost looks like Adult Swim. Bartolomeo. Another figure card. Beppo. Helmeppo in the same style as Kobe. Little chibi. Ooh, nice. Ben Beckman. An action shot. Wow. 9,007 cost. Luffy. Another cool looking art. Almost looks like the Shank one. Or the Shanks one in terms of art style. Yasop. Oh. We got an ad. There's some Film Red figures. These might all be ads. They do look cool, though. Of course, no clue if this QR code or anything is relevant at this point. This probably would have been relevant last year. Treasure Cruise? Is that the I think that's the gacha game. Yeah? The One Piece gacha game? No. That Bounty Rush is the gacha game. What's this one then? I don't even know. 2 gacha games? Oh, I never played them. I don't know if they're any good at all either. And then Bond Presto. This might still be relevant. And then an ad for the tutorial, like on the Dawn cards and Romance Dawn. Cool. That was that first pack of Film Red promos. Next, I have this pack. This is the first promo pack, I think, on release of the game in English. And so 5 cards, 5 types in total. I'm expecting to get all 5 cards. I'm pretty sure that's how it works, though I could be disappointed in a couple seconds here if it's not the case. All right. All right. Here we go. So these should all be unique cards. Monkey D. Luffy. These, yeah. So these are promos. Oh, I should have looked. Let me look quickly. Yeah. So the film red cards. Bit of focuses here. Are also considered promos. I didn't know if they were true promos. These are definitely promos. Once it focuses, there we go. So we have Luffy. I smell adventure ahead. Captain Kidd. Crocodile. These must use the same. They must be the same cards from the base set or starter decks. I don't think they'll throw that many unique types of character cards this early. And Kaido. So yeah, all 5 unique promo cards. So that's good. I thought there's a chance it might be random, but that's good. Organize that quick. Next, it's the same, but 2023 Volume 1. So expecting 5 cards here. 5 unique cards. So, just like on the wrapper, we got Marco. It's a pretty cool looking card. Ooh. Action shot of Killer. Looks cool. Miss All Sunday. Promo version. So it's a non-rare hollow promo version. Interesting. Ulti? Another promo version of a rare card from Romance Dawn. And then Kobe from Starter Deck 6. Cool. So we got 5 unique cards. Just like the other pack. All right. And then my last one, I have tournament packs. And these are 1 card per. And I think there's, yeah, five types total. 1 card per. I've got 8 of them. So there's no guarantee here that I get the set of 5 from, this is Tournament Pack Volume 1. With the Luffy on the front here. Yeah. We're going to see what we get. These should probably be I expect them to be the cooler cards of everything I've opened so far. So let's open it face down so you can reveal it. Nice. This is Yamato promo card. It's got the P, yeah? Yeah, it's got the P. If it could focus. There you go. So it's they look like, alternate art cards, but they're nothing special in terms of patterns or holographic, nothing shiny. Still, These look really cool. Another Yamato card to add to my collection. Cool. That's our first one. And let's continue to gamble here. Gonna hope we get all 5 unique ones. Okay, next one. Ooh, it's Luffy. Luffy with Momonosuke in the background. Man, another cool looking card. Nice. 2 for 5 so far. Good to see. And of course, these aren't as expensive as packs, but still. Prefer not to spend more money on these. Third card. Another version of Luffy. Oh, this is the 3-cost version. Also, it is matching the wrapper. Looks good. Okay. We are 3 for 3 on uniques. Okay, next card. Ooh, we got Kaido. This might be my favorite card from this tournament volume. Man, that looks good. I'm a big fan of the color purple on the One Piece trading card game in general. Yeah, this looks great. Okay. 4 for 4. We are looking for one more unique card. Honestly, if I get it here, I think I'm gonna leave the other ones unopened. And got another Yamato. Focus. Looking good. Another 4-cost Luffy. Two more 1-card packs here. Okay. Oh, another Kaido. Last pack here. Whoa. Careful, careful. Let's see what we get. Another Luffy. All right, that means we're still missing one. Though 4 for 5 is not bad at all. I don't know, at this point, I'd probably just buy the card. But yeah. 5th card I was looking for. I'll probably mention it in the description. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show today. Showcasing some of the promo cards that are out there. It goes even deeper than this. You know, there's what was it? There's like winner cards that are maybe like 10 times the price of these things that are insanely hard to get. There's also promo cards in Japan and China that are only available in certain magazines, things like that. Stuff you have to be watching like a hawk, basically. But yeah, I'll probably continue this series slowly but surely and gathering more promo cards. But just want to show you guys a different angle of collecting here. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Have a good day.